Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your SurveyMonkey account. So right now we are here at the Home tab, and before deleting your account, you need to be sure that you want to delete your complete account, because he will delete all your surveys, all your information. So be careful with that. But if you want to delete your account, we go right in the top to our profile icon where we select My Account. Then right here, we scroll down, where we will find right here at General Preferences or Profile. So then right here, we can select right here Delete. And then they're telling us if you click Delete, we'll remove all the information you provided or from third parties. You can always reprofile yourself with only the information you provide, or you can edit your profile if you want to manage specific information you provided. Delete all profile information, and then you can click right there on delete. I don't want to delete my account because I like SurveyMonkey, but if you want to delete your account, you can click right now on delete. So this is how you can delete your account on SurveyMonkey. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.